The Multimedia Teaching Area proudly presents the Open Flash project, where students learn Flash without the hefty price tag. In this short video, we're going to explore the text tool. We're going to learn about inserting text, modifying the font face, changing the paragraph, changing the orientation, playing around with anti-aliasing, and making sure the text isn't selectable. So the very first thing I'd like you to do is to open up an ActionScript 2.0 file. Now, as always, rename the layer, and let's rename this text. Okay, so let's click on the text tool in the menu, in the toolbar, and let's just type in something. Hello everyone, how are you going? Okay, now going back to the black cursor tool, let's just select that. And we've got a few options here, so let's just hide everything just in case when you type in some text it looks like this, and we just click on the downward arrow to expand all of these menus. Okay, now the very first thing I'd like you to do is make sure it's static, not dynamic and not input. Static is what we're dealing with. Now we can change the font face if we want. So just click down and we can drag this sideways, like the little menu bar there. And let's just change it to something else. Let's make it Arial. Okay. Now we can change the size of it manually by clicking on it and typing a numerical value, or we can click and drag and I'll make it grow. We can also do that with the letter spacing. Okay, let's make that to 0. Okay, I'll just have to type that in. It's a little fiddly sometimes. Okay, I'm going to change this color from black and let's make it red. Okay, pretty standard stuff so far. Okay, now clicking on this, we can change the aliasing, which is the way that the program handles the font, and we can change it so there's no anti-aliasing, so it's not smooth at all, or that we can make it smooth for animation. Okay, cool, perfect. Now we can go down to paragraph and then change the alignment from left to center to right, or full justified. And now in the paragraph we can change how much spacing from the left hand side, a margin between the different lines, and then the right margin. Okay. The other thing we can do is change the orientation of it. So at the moment it's gone top to bottom. There's left to right. We can also change the rotation of it, which, you know, in some instances are going to work really well for us. Okay, now we actually select we've just previewed this text, and we can select it, and that's not what we want to do. So to turn that off, just go into the menu system and click on the selectable button, and now you can see that it can't be selected. Wrapping up, the text tool is an important tool that you're going to be using each and every day as a Flash developer. Please make sure that you understand all components that make up the actual text tool, and more specifically, make sure that your font isn't selectable unless you want that to happen. Now, if you have any questions, comments, or corrections, please send us an email at vuacm2003@gmail.com. Otherwise, ask your tutor or post it up on the bulletin board. Again, thank you very much and have a great day.